till yesterday 422 cases per million, and today it was 470 cases per million in India. Against that, till yesterday we have about 1051 cases per million. 1051. We have about 40 lakh, 4 million cases. So 1050 cases. Today if we take it, it's 1100 plus.
In a million?
In a million means 10 lakh. 10 লাখ যত এভারেজ করে বাইরে করা হয়, ভারতে 470 আছে, আমরা 1000 এর বেশি আছে. So that means we are doing quite large number of tests, and fortunately, and thanks to the good response from all people from Tripura, we are all having negative. So now we are looking forward to how things will unfold from the 3rd May. Today, Honorable PM had meeting with all CMs also, so he had also shared with his vision, where he had said primarily, CM will be, that though it is not over yet, we have more pains to come, things are not yet controlled, so we have to maintain few social things, social distancing is one, having the mask is another, and we have to behave very prudently and very responsibly if we really want to contain this epidemic. You already know we are corona free. That means last 14 days there have been no cases. Most likely when 3rd the order comes, it will come in 3 zones: red, orange and green. The details we are waiting, but we are expecting that we would be in green, maybe orange. And if 28 does not come, it's a green. So that by and large is the situation. Pardon? Then we have lot of people who are stranded outside Tripura. There was discussions. As of now, Government of India has told us that with the mutual consent of the states, they can come. We are positive on that. People are contacting us. We are requesting the local administration of the other states to let our people come. Yesterday, I think about 167 persons have already come. So we are now taking the proper protocol. We are identifying them, asking them to go for home quarantine, testing for the symptoms, and by today we would be bringing out the protocol for them. By and large, what we have thought over will come is that those who are coming from the hotspots or red zone, they would be tested and kept for 1 day in the north itself. But right now up to 3rd, they will be coming from Churaibadi itself, because rail and flight is not there. So they will be kept for 1 day in north itself. The test would be done. If they are found negative, with the star marking for 14 days, they will be sent for quarantine. Those who are coming from non-hotspots, they will be tested for the symptoms. All the symptomatic cases will be sent for the test, and some randomly selected non-symptomatic cases will also be tested. So such cases will be followed. We will be coming out with the protocol today or tomorrow. By and large, this is for today. Now, if anything you have.
Whether the protocol was followed yesterday when...
Yes.
Yeah?
Self-respecting.
Sir, how those people are coming now?
They are hiring the vehicle and come. When they want to come, they request us. We request the local administration to issue them the passes, giving the details. The administration issues the pass, then come.
But government will not bear any expense.
As of now, we have not decided. We are
But
thinking.
other states are doing the same thing.
Most of the states are doing the same thing. So,
Some states are setting their own buses. Nazari buses.
UP has also arranged 72 buses for the...
Not only UP, even Maharashtra also. They are also
Bring
setting
back
bus.
the-
Not only bus, Nazari has
Yeah.
bus. Why people of the state will be denied?
UP has sent the bus for the quota. Now, whether they are sending the buses for their people stranded in every other state of the country or not, we don't know. Now, we had also thought over, but then we think our people are stranded everywhere in the country, right from Chennai to Gujarat to Delhi and Kota. If
How
we
many
had
persons, sir?
exact number I